My fourth technology that I chose was StarFall, which is just a website called starfall.com. My actually first grader that here at home had told me about that this is her new favorite site she liked using, so I thought I would check it out. So when you open it up, it shows you that it's geared towards the younger ages, so pre-K through third, more of your primary ages. The thing about Starfall that I found is that there are some free parts to it, but then if you want more lessons and activities and games, then you have to subscribe and join the website. But I'm going to go ahead and go into the kindergarten and pre-K section. And when you click on that, you can find the different content area that it has: language arts and music, math, where they have different songs and libraries and games. One of the favorite parts that my daughter told me that she loved was the seasonal ones. And so, like, if you clicked on the snowman, it has a game that you can play with it. Sorry, I didn't want to keep it going just because it gets kind of noisy. But so these are fun activity that we could use in the classroom for those students that need some extra learning time or during free play. Or it could also be a site that you could share with parents that they could use at home. That would be educational games that they could have their child do as opposed to those that are non-educational. The other area I wanted to show you was the Parent Teacher Center. And on here, sorry, my internet is running slow tonight, has resources that you could use in your classroom, whether with alongside your curriculum or if you're needing some additional pieces to your curriculum. And so there are lesson plans, there are books that you can print out, word and picture cards. And so these are all free resources that you can use in your classroom, or again, you could pay to join StarFall and have more in-depth resources. So overall, I feel like this is a basic, easy to use website that could be used for at home or in the classroom that kids would find engaging and has enough different activities to keep them learning.